Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you're welcome, and I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video, I'm going to be coiling this braiding hair right here. So I've already cut and detangled the hair off camera. So the next step now, I'm going to be showing you guys how to coil the hair. So to start, you need to take a medium size amount of hair. Once you're done detangling the hair, just like I'm doing in this video, so next you need to fold it over just like this. So now you need to create a loop just like this. So now you need to do the single knot crochet just by passing your fingers through the loop and pull the ends of the hair through the loop. Just like that. Super easy. Go ahead and repeat the same method on the rest of the hair. Okay, so you want to make sure that the hair you are working with is completely detangled. You don't want any frizz or tangled hair once you're done coiling the hair. So next you will need a small size flexi rod. So you're just going to take the hair. So now you need to start wrapping the hair around the flexi rod. So you just twist and wrap the hair around, twist and wrap it around. Okay. So getting to the bottom of the flexi rod or getting close to the end of the hair, you need to switch from twisting the hair. Now you're going to be wrapping the hair, the tip of the hair flat on the flexi rod and close together. So you just wrap the ends of the hair flat on the flexi rod and close together. Just like this. So once that is done, you need to bend the end of the flexi rod over to secure the hair in place, and do the same thing on the top part of the flexi rod to secure it in place. So again, you're going to take your small size flexi rod. Next, you need to start wrapping the hair around the flexi rod. So you want to twist and wrap the hair around the flexi rod, twist and wrap it around, twist and wrap the hair around the flexi rod. So getting close to the end of the hair, you're going to switch from twisting the hair to wrapping it flat on the flexi rod. So getting close to the end of the hair or to the tip of the hair, you need to wrap the hair flat on the flexi rod and close together. Just like that. Again, doing the same thing, bend the end over just like this to secure the end of the hair in place to make sure that the hair won't unravel. So you want to do the same thing on the top. Just bend the end of the flexi rod over like this, and that will secure the hair in place. There you go. So the next step now is to dip them in hot water. Okay, so now that that is done, I'm going to be unraveling the coils. Mind you, the hair is still wet, so it's not dry yet. I'm going to unravel them and let them air dry before separating the coils. Okay, so real quick, if you've watched to this point and you've not hit the like button yet, please go ahead and give the video a thumbs up. And also, if you're new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button down below and turn on the notification bell so that way whenever I post a new video, you will get notified. All right, just give the video a big thumbs up right now, so this will let you to know that you like the video and will help to push it out to people that are looking for an easy DIY curly hair that they can do by themselves. Okay, thank you. Okay, so I let the hair air dry completely, so now I'm going to be separating them. But first I started by applying a little bit of oil on my palms, as well. Now I'm going in to apply that on the hair. So now I'm going to be separating the coils just like that. Okay, so for the next step now, you need to undo the knot. Okay, so that way you can take it out of the rope or the thread, so you can go ahead and use it. So to do this, you want to gently undo the knot just like I'm doing in this video, and then pull the hair through the loop to get it out of the rope, just like that. Okay, again, so you want to gently undo the knot just like I'm doing in this video and pull the hair through the loop to remove it from the rope. There you go. So once that is done, you just want to go ahead and separate it just like I'm doing in this video, gently. Perfect. All right, so as you can see, your crochet hair is ready. You can use it for crochet braid, you can use it for goddess braid, you can use it for whatever you want to use it for. It's just perfect. All right guys, so we've come to the end of today's video. As always, if you find this video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up. Okay, and if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button down below and turn on the notification bell, so that way whenever I post a new video, you will get notified. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video.